Welcome to my channel. You're watching HQ BMW. My name is Jeff. Sorry about the background noise, but we're just trying to get the garage heated up. Because we have Josh coming over. I'll link his Instagram below to get a Bavarian Brigade banner put on. He's one of our newest members, so we're gonna install his banner today. It's a little chilly for doing banners, but in the garage it's 2 degrees Celsius, which is like 34 degrees Fahrenheit. So I got the little heater for Christmas present from my wife and kids, so that should help warm the garage up and give us some workable space. Keep watching, and we're gonna go to a time lapse of the install. So here we go. Okay, there we have it. Banner done. Let's roll to some nice clips on actual banner installed while we still have some light outside. We got a banner installed, and it looks good. The heater worked perfectly. It was 20 degrees in the garage. It was actually a little bit warm, but here he is. Yeah, everything worked out perfectly. That heater is brilliant. Kept it nice and warm in here. Another banner installed, a newest member of the Bavarian Brigade. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Greatly appreciated. And have yourself a great day. Peace.